3 types of ESD vinyl flooring series comparison appearance. 1800 series, in tile form. Uniformly distributed black carbon fibers throughout a homogeneous structure. 2000 series, in sheet form. Uniformly distributed black carbon fibers throughout a homogeneous structure. 2100 series, in sheet form. Free of carbon fibers to eliminate black carbon sloughing and contamination. Metal oxide conductive formula delivers consistent conductivity with no hot or dead spots. Electrical resistance 1800 and 2000 series, static conductive, 1.0 x 10E04 1.0 x 10E06 static dissipative, 1.0 x 10E06 1.0 x 10E09 2100 series, electrical resistance, 1.0 x 10E05 1.0 x 10E08, according to IEC 61344-9, this range is the ideal range, which provides sufficient conductivity to safely dissipate static charges while maintaining enough resistance to avoid electrical shock hazards. Static dissipative, 1.0 x 10E06 1.0 x 10E09 wear resistance 1800 series, rated P-class for high wear resistance. 2000 series, rated P-class or T-class for high wear resistance. 2100 series, rated T-class, the highest level of wear resistance. Antimicrobial performance. All 3 series, 1800, 2000, 2100, are engineered with advanced antimicrobial technology, effectively reducing over 99.9% of Staphylococcus aureus, ATCC 6538P, and Escherichia coli, ATCC 8739, as verified by SGS certification. ESD waxing requirements 1800 and 2000 series, recommended ESD waxing after installation and during regular maintenance. 2100 series, equipped with automated self-releasing wax technology. No waxing required for at least 5 years, significantly reducing maintenance costs. Scratch resistance 1800 series, more prone to surface scratches, especially in special colors. 2000 and 2100 series, engineered for high scratch resistance, suitable for all models. Flexibility 1800 and 2000 series, flexible, resistant to cracking during curling and bending. 2100 series, highly flexible, withstands repeated folding without damage. Factory pricing 1800 and 2000 series, competitively priced for projects requiring cost efficiency and performance. 2100 series, premium pricing driven by an advanced, carbon fiber-free formulation and a self-waxing design. Cost-effective overall, with minimal maintenance required due to its self-waxing surface.